Welcome to our Gimbal Showdown. Today, we're diving into a detailed comparison of two popular smartphone gimbals, the DJI Osmo Mobile 7 and the Hohem iSteady M6. Whether you're a casual vlogger or a serious filmmaker, choosing the right gimbal can make all the difference in your video quality. We'll explore their features, performance, and value so you can make an informed decision. Let's get started. Let's start with the price. The DJI Osmo Mobile 7 is priced at just $89, making it an excellent choice for budget-conscious creators. In contrast, the Hohem iSteady M6 kit comes in at $209, reflecting its advanced features and professional-grade capabilities. While the Osmo Mobile 7 offers great value for casual users, the iSteady M6 targets those looking for more functionality and versatility. Next, let's discuss weight. The DJI Osmo Mobile 7 weighs only 300 grams, making it incredibly portable and easy to handle for extended periods. On the other hand, the Hohem iSteady M6 kit weighs 551 grams, which can lead to fatigue during long shoots. While the extra weight of the iSteady M6 may provide more stability, it sacrifices some portability that many users appreciate in the Osmo Mobile 7. Finally, we have tracking technology. The DJI Osmo Mobile 7 relies on the DJI Mimo app for its Active Track 7.0 feature, which can be limiting for some users. In contrast, the Hohem iSteady M6 kit features a dedicated AI vision sensor that allows for hardware-based tracking, meaning you can use any app without losing tracking capabilities. This makes the iSteady M6 a more versatile option for those who want to use various shooting applications. In conclusion, both the DJI Osmo Mobile 7 and the Hohem iSteady M6 kit offer unique advantages depending on your needs. If you're looking for a lightweight, budget-friendly option, the Osmo Mobile 7 is an excellent choice. However, if you require advanced features and superior tracking capabilities, the iSteady M6 is worth the investment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.